Okay, y'all. So welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm just gonna make this. I'm gonna try to make the video as short and sweet as possible. Somebody messaged me and they were like, "Hey, do I have to trade? 5 consecutive days, or does it have to be 5 minimum days?" So I told them that I would make a video going through my trades on my 5K account, and we're gonna see whether it is that you actually it says it right here. So on the let's say buy challenge, because I did reach out to them and let them know that their page was inconsistent. I hope they fixed it. I really hope they fixed it. Let's see. No, they didn't fix it. That's crazy. That's crazy. So on the challenge page, it says 5 days, right? And then on the live account, you trade 1 day. This is how I got denied a payout, which pissed me off because people gonna look at this and say, "Oh, this is gonna be easy." It's not. Trust me, it's not, because you have to trade 5 and 5. You have to trade 5 days for your funded account, and then 5 days for your challenge account. Don't look at this. Do not. I promise you, do not do it, because you will get your payout denied very quickly. Um, I think it should be the reverse, but in the FAQ, it says clearly that you have to, in order to get a payout, you have to trade 5 days. So that's why I say only pay attention to the FAQ page. Now, getting on to what we need to get on to. So for my challenge account, we're gonna go down to the 5K. Let me check this other one actually. I passed this boy in 2 days. Huh. Interesting. I was good back then. Back then, didn't want me. Now I'm hiding all on me. So I passed this one in 5 days. I passed that one in 2 days. So they're changing rules a little bit, but now that people are making a fuss about certain things, they're starting to change the rules. So if y'all gonna get in, get in. If you need me to, help y'all a little bit, let me know. So basically, as you see here, I'm just kidding, by the way. I can't help nobody. I can barely help myself. As you can see here, I have been using for this particular account. I didn't want to lose it after I lost 20 already. I started very, very small. I even started with like a zero point 0.0, what you call it, micro lot. And depending on what that pair was, which was gold, y'all know I love gold. I love it now. I hated it then because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. But I started with like smaller lot sizes. Like my range was like a 0.10 all the way up to a 0.50, right? I wouldn't go any higher than a 0.50, because at that point, you're just, unless you know price is going in your direction without reversal, you know, that's great. But if price reverses on you, if the candle doesn't go exactly where you want it to, you looking at one hell of a drawdown like candle, really. So you just asking to get got. So you know, it's just not worth it. So I would start with something small. And even on a 5K, why the heck would you do a one lot anyway? That's too much. That is too much. That's like, it's no, I think about it. I mean, it will help you pass it faster, but you still got to deal with all the drawdown before you get to, because you have to think about the bid and the ask price when you get in. You're going to be negative something. I don't know what that's going to be, but that's something you need to consider as well. So I wouldn't do a one lot. I would do smaller lot sizes and then work my way up to having a buffer to where, even if I wasn't drawdown, it wouldn't hurt me that bad. So trade with smaller lot sizes. I'd say go with the frame of what? 5 is too small. 0.10 to 0.50, because a 0.05 is too small. Even though I did make something on this pair right here, but I only made $8. So if you want to, you want to be here all day, then you can, but I wouldn't do it. I don't know. Gold is a pair that moves very, very quickly. So I was able to make on a 0.03. I was able to make this. I was able to make that $73 on gold for that 0.03. But other pairs don't move so quick. They move so slow. I'm telling you, they do. Sometimes they go against you. I hate CHF. That's why I say I hate with a passion CHF pairs. I probably won't ever trade them again. ever because they get on my nerves. So yeah, I passed this in like 5 days, but it wasn't consecutive. Let me get back over here. I started this on the 25th of June, and then I ended it. That's the 25th, the 26th, the 27th, and then we jumped from the 27th to the 2nd to the 3rd. I passed it on the 3rd after many, 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 many tries. So, and answer your question, no, you don't have to trade consecutive, from what I understand. I passed it, and then let's go to the fundeds. Oh, I don't know if I told y'all that, but I was going 6. I think in the last video I said I was going 6, so I did go 6 for all these trades. I ended up losing some money and having to get that back. So I ended up getting it almost exactly to where I needed to be on my 5K. So I'm not messing with it. I'm not touching it because I didn't come too far to give up now, as Tina Campbell might say. Give up now. All right, so let's go. Where we at? Where are we? We are where? We're looking for the 5 funded. Just to be clear, I did not fail this. What happens when they wipe it? They put it down here as a fail, but I did not fail it. So I passed this one. Doesn't tell me, does it? It doesn't tell me. No, it don't tell me. But let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so I only got like 3 trays in here. No, I got 1, 2. I did this in 2 days, and they still paid me out. But for your sake, go 5. The rules, again, like I said, the rules have changed. I've talked to somebody who knows the owner, and he voice messaged me. He told me, say, look, it's 5 for this and 5 for that. So now that I know that, I'm gonna do right. So I'm telling y'all to do right. If y'all gonna go with this prop firm, if y'all need the link, I'll send y'all the link. But like, if y'all gonna go with this prop firm, then and you want to get a payout, follow all the rules. I'm gonna outline all the rules in another video. But if y'all don't want to read the FAQ because it might be a little bit confusing, but 5 on the challenge phase, 5 on the funded phase. Let me see if I can find another one. Oh. No. We ain't get another one after that, I don't think. Let me see. We got that one. Nope, we just got that one. This one I actually did fail. This one down here, I actually failed this one. That's why I say negative 256. 256. Do not do what I do. Do as I say, don't do as I do. So, oh yeah, active trading days 1. So, just trade 5 to be on the safe side. Actually, trade 6 to be on the safe side. And then you should be Gucci. One thing I don't know about is the stop losses. So I'm gonna learn about that. If they pay me this, then I think that it's okay. But HFT, the rules are so much more stricter. So because they have so much more to lose. This stuff over here, it's like 5K is $300. A 15K is $900. That's a drop in the bucket for any prop firm, right? Let's say you got 515. They don't have a 10, so they got 25. That's 1,200, 1,500. Then 50K is 3,000, and then you got 100K that's 6,000, then you got a 200K that's 12,000. So yeah, I can understand why they have so much of a strict rule on the HFT side, but yeah, we gonna go on that side later. Once I get another payout, once I get this payout and I do what I need to do with it, and then I get another round of payouts, then we gonna buy that HFT. But that's gonna come later. But I hope I answered your question of whether or not I got stuck for a second. I had a little brain part, so I hope I answered your question as to whether or not you need to trade consecutive. No, I just showed you all my trade, so no. I traded 5 minimum trading days. It doesn't have to be consecutive, just minimum trading days. If you guys have any questions about the prop firm, or if you want to again sign up, let me know. I'll send you my link. I don't think I can do it on here, but I'll figure out a way if you want to. If you really want to support me, that'd be awesome. If not, I'm still gonna be here because I'm doing this for myself, and if it helps you guys as well, that's great. If not, then it's still I'm doing it for me to document that I did this. It was possible. I did get payouts. I did follow the rules. I did do it till I figured it out because I did fail until I figured it out. So um, I hope that you guys see this as motivation, and I hope you guys are getting payouts, or you're using this as motivation to get a payout and not give up. I don't know how many times you failed. I don't know how many times you've given up on yourself, but I would hope and pray that you would not, because the $170 that I did get, that was enough to keep me going. You know what I'm saying? It was enough to tell me, like, okay, out of all the prop firms that went down and that came back and they're doing wrong and they're making all these rules up that can't nobody follow, like in the beginning, it's like this prop firm is the only one that paid me out. I don't care if it was $50. They paid me. It was in my Coinbase account until I transferred it over to my bank account. Like, they legit paid me. So I would say that, if you find a prop firm that you like, stick with it until you learn the rules inside and out. And once they pay you, just keep the ball rolling. So you guys be blessed. Take care. And I will talk to you guys later in the next video. Oh, put some comments in the comment section below. Toodles.